हेलो बच्चों, टुडे वी गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर योर टर्म सेकेंड एग्जाम. टॉपिक इज reproduction in flowering plant. So first one, that is give the example of unisexual and bisexual flower. So what is unisexual and what is bisexual? Unisexual mean in those flower in which male and female part present in different flower, means male present in different and female part present in different. That type of flower is called unisexual, like papaya and watermelon. Bisexual, the flower in which male and female part present in same, like stamen and carpel present in the same flower, that is called bisexual. So bisexual में your example is hibiscus, mustard, potato and different other. Okay, write the function of each one: anther, stigma and carpel. So what is anther? Anther look like this. Anther represents the male part of the flower. It contains anther and another part is, that is filament. They commonly known as stamen. So stamen represents the male part of the flower. Inside the anther, what is formed? Pollen grain. Inside the anther, formation of the pollen grain, that is male gametophyte. Clear? Stigma. Stigma. This is stigma. This is terminal portion of the carpel of pistil, which serve as the landing platform for the pollen grain. The site where the pollen grain are land, that portion is called stigma. Carpel. Carpel, that is female part of the flower which contains stigma, style and ovary. That is called carpel. Clear to all? Anther, stigma and carpel. Next one, write male and female gametophyte of the flower. Male gametophyte, that is pollen grain which is formed inside the anther, and female gametophyte, that is embryo sac which containing female germ cell, that is egg cell, and male gametophyte, that is pollen grain. Clear? This is the structure of a carpel or pistil. This is very important structure. You have to familiar and you have to practice this structure. It definitely come for your term second exam. This is a pollen grain which is reached to the stigma. This is the stigma portion. This one is style. This pollen vessel portion, that is ovary. Inside the ovary, ovule is present, and inside the ovule, that is embryo sac is present. Clear? And this is inside the embryo sac, male female germ cell, that is egg cell is present. Clear? When pollen grain is reached to the stigma of the flower, this pollen stigma is compatible. Compatible means competent to receive the pollen grain. If incorrect pollen grain are aligned to the stigma, pollen tube cannot germinate. This is pollen tube. If pollen tube cannot germinate, then fertilization cannot occur. Clear? After the germination of the pollen tube, when correct pollen grain reaches to the stigma, that process is called compatibility. This is reached through the micropipe. It reaches to the egg cell. This is egg cell. It containing two male germ cell. Pollen tube containing two male germ cell. So in the angiosperm, very important phenomena, that is called double fertilization and triple fusion. Okay, double fertilization and triple fusion. So first male gamete fertilize the egg cell, and what is it form? It form zygote. Zygote undergo the mitotic division and it form embryo. Okay, embryo. After the fertilization, this ovary develop into the fruit. This ovule develop into the seed. Clear? So first fruit, inside the fruit seed is present, inside the seed embryo is present, and when this embryo get nourished and get germinate into the new plant. That is the whole process after the fertilization. Very important. Ovary, fruit, ovule, seed, egg, zygote, then develop into the embryo. This is the process of fertilization. Next, what is seed? Seed क्या है? So seed is a result of fertilization. After the fertilization, seed is formed. Ovule develop into the seed, and inside the seed what is present? Embryo is present. Inside the seed what is present? Embryo is present. Embryo is present. Seed having two regions. If there is a single cotyledon, that is called monocot. Dicotyledon, dicot. Cotyledon store the food material and provide the nourishment and nutrient. Embryo below the cotyledon region, that is called radicle, and above the cotyledon, that is called plumule. When seed get water, oxygen and nutrient, this plumule develop into the shoot, and the radicle develop into the future root. So root and shoot. Radicle form root and plumule form shoot. Very important. If there is a question, what is the function of radicle and plumule? So you have to write radicle develop into the root and plumule develop into the shoot. Very important. So go through these questions. This may helpful for your exam. Okay.